Here is the current state of my Wi-Fi controlled sprinkler project based on ES Sprinkler 2. What we've got is a main circuit board with a WeMos D1 mini, OLED display, the real-time clock module, I think it's PCF 8563, something like that, and on the board that's the 74HC595 that decodes the output of this into a 8-way decoder, and then to buffer that for the relay modules, which I've got two of. There's a ULN 2803, which is a oct open collector transistor driver pack, which is a good safe way of driving anything, and it doesn't mean we have to worry about the 3.3 volts outputs of the 74HC595, so you just get a ground out of those, and that drives the relay module, which has its own 5-volt supply. In addition to the 8 outputs, I've also configured in a master relay. So this idea is to, if you need a master solenoid, which is can be handy for in case something goes wrong, that's got a separate output. Basically, when any of the 8 relays are on, this one's on. So here's the 2 connectors for each of those. I've only got one hooked up at the moment. I've run out of 6-way connectors, and over here I've just got temporary hooked up. I'll probably still use this little adjustable multiple input voltage to variable voltage output, set to 5 volts on the output, just hooked up to its power supply. Okay, let's turn it on, see what happens. Comes on. It's got an address from the router. It says the time already because I've got this real-time clock module with a battery which holds its memory. Okay, now to give it a test, I've got my laptop set up here because I'm using my phone for the camera. Let's just refresh this. Alright. Toggle zone 1. See what happens. So this relay came on, and we can see this LED, this relay here is on. Let's toggle some more of those. And we get an indicator here on the display showing that the first 4 are on, and all of the LEDs there are on, as is that one. Alright, I'll clear. See what happens. they're all off. So that's the hardware side of it. It's all going. These this WeMos D1 Mini and the display and this all came from AliExpress, which were quite cheap. The circuit board made up using there's a free circuit board design package, web one called EDA, something like that. Can't remember, Easy EDA maybe. And then to actually make the circuit boards was dirt cheap, something like $11 including postage for 5 boards. So that's a good value and makes it all nice and neat. Okay, that's all.